Now, how do you open the Capcut Effects menu on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So whenever you are editing videos in Capcut, make sure you have the clip selected in the timeline below, and a bunch of different things are going to appear. So obviously, if you don't have the clip selected, there are going to be like different set of buttons below. So have the clip selected, and obviously all of these things are technically effects, right? So you can like remove the background and stuff like that. However, if you want to add like these sort of quote like cool effects, you need to scroll through the available options below, and you need to find the star icon for the special effects, right? So when you tap on this, you can add some video effects, style, or even AI effects, right? So when I click on video effects, this is things like, for example, blur or like fade in animations, or I don't know, some random stuff which you can add. I don't know, like party filters where colors change rapidly. Like you can browse through them and apply these like special effects. So we're not talking about like changing the brightness of a clip or I don't know, like cropping the image, but we are talking about these like vibrant and interesting effects available in the gallery. And those again can be found by clicking on the star icon which says effects below. But that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments if you managed to find all of those things on your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.